Happy morning, students. Welcome to the science session of class 3. In the previous class, you learnt about the types of fruits and their functions. Today, we are going to learn about the shoot system. Objectives. Students can identify the parts of a leaf and explain about function of their shoot system. The part of a plant which grows above the soil is called shoot system. The shoot system includes stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. First, what we are going to see is stem. The stem helps a plant to grow and stand upright. The stem acts like a pipeline and carries water, minerals and nutrients from the roots. It also carries the food made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Some plants store extra food in the stem. Potato, ginger, these are examples of stem food items. Now let's see about leaves. There are different types of leaves. A leaf has a flat surface called the lamina. The part which is connected to the stem is known as petiole. There are many thin lines present on the main vein or midrib. Leaves have tiny pores on their underside. These pores help the leaves to take in and give out air. Leaf contains a green color substance called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll helps the plant to prepare the food. The food is prepared by the leaves. Leaves are also called as the kitchen of the plants. Spinach and cabbage. These are examples of leaf food items. Next, let's see flowers, fruits and seeds. Buds bloom into flowers. Flowers are generally bright in color. Some flowers have sweet smell. Broccoli and cauliflower. These are examples of flower food items. Most flowers become fruits which contain one or many seeds. For example, pomegranate flower becomes fruit and seeds. Some fruits have one, few or many seeds. For example, mango has one seed. Orange has few seed. Watermelon has many seed. Seeds have different shapes, sizes and colors. Some of the seeds that we eat are pulses, wheat, gram, etc. Next, we are going to see is germination. The seed contains baby plant inside it. Then seeds get the right amount of air, water and sunlight. First, the radicle comes out from the seed, that is called root. Then, plumule comes out from the seed, that is called shoot. They start growing into a new plant. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Now, I will quickly revise the keywords so that first word is the root system. The part of the plant that grows below the ground. Shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the ground. Germination. The process of the growth of a seed into a new plant. So what will keep the key points here? Functions of stem. Keeps the plant upright. It supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. It carries water, food and minerals to all parts of the plant. Functions of a leaf. Chlorophyll, which helps to absorb sunlight, prepares food by using air, water and sunlight. Stomata on the underside of the leaf helps the plant to breathe. So students, after going through the presentation, you will be able to explain the different parts of your plant and their functions.